Welcome to Sparkle Kitties. We are going to learn together about the members of our family and what the relationships with them are. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel at Sparkle Kitties. Hi Sparkle Kitties. I am Chloe. Come along with me to my town to meet and know who my family members are. Let's go. This is my yummy mummy. Your mommy is your female parent. Mommy makes us yummy food that makes us strong, healthy, and gives us energy to play and do other activities. Can you say mommy? Good job. This is my superhero daddy. Your daddy is your male parent. Daddy takes us to the park to play and protects us from being hurt. Can you say daddy? Good job. These are my parents. My daddy and mommy together are my parents. They love, take care of me and my siblings and make us feel good. Can you say parents? That's good. This is my playful brother Charlie. Your brother is your male sibling who is the child of your parents. Charlie likes to swing from trees and sing lovely rhymes to us. Can you say brother? Good job. This is my lovely sister Haley. Your sister is your female sibling who is the child of your parents. Haley likes to ride her bike and share her toys with me. Can you say sister? Good job. This is my super grandma. Grandma is the mom of my dad. Your grandma is your mom's mom or dad's mom. Grandma tells us fun stories and bakes us cookies. Can you say grandma? Good job. Don't forget my funny granddad. Granddad is my dad's dad. Your granddad is your mom's dad or dad's dad. Granddad likes to plant trees that grow food we eat that makes us healthy and tells us funny jokes to make us laugh. Can you say granddad? Good job. This is my dancing pet dog Milo. A pet is an animal that lives in your house. Milo is my dog that cheers me up when I am sad and I feed and bath Milo. Can you say dog? Good job. This is my singing Uncle Richie. My uncle is my dad's brother. Your uncle is your mom's brother or your dad's brother. My uncle likes to play the guitar and sing music so we can dance and be happy. Can you say uncle? Good job. This is my nice Auntie Sherry. My auntie is my dad's sister. Your auntie is your mom's sister or your dad's sister. My auntie likes to paint and paints pictures of us. Can you say auntie? Good job. These are my cousins. My cousins are my uncle's kids. Your cousins are your aunt's kids or your uncle's kids. My cousins like to play music and also play with us. Can you say cousins? Good job. This is my family circle. My family circle has my granddad, grandma, daddy, mommy, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, cousins, pet, and me. We all love, support, and share with each other. Now go and tell those in your family circle that you love them. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel at Sparkle Kitties. next video, we are going to the jungle with Tina the tiger for her to introduce us to her friends and their sounds. See ya!